Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. But in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can check the performance of your website. Yes, if you are a publisher or if you are a developer and you have published a website, now if you want to check the performance of it, you can check the detailed performance. Now, in order to do it, just simply open any of the browser you have, and here you have to search for webpagetest.org. Just simply search for this website and see the right spelling over there. Now here you have to scroll down until you find this option which says start a site performance test. Now here you have to write the URL of the site. For example, if I write www.facebook.com, once I do that, I have to enter the test locations, the browser and everything, and I have to hit start. Once I do that, a detailed process have been starting of testing, and once the test is done, the result for the same will appear right away. You can see the performance summaries right there. It contains all the detailed analytics of the website, the time it get loads, the time it take to content the to show the content and everything, so that you can improve your website. Alright, so that's it for this video. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.